Welcome to Warsaw IT Days. Today I am going to present a live demo of Google's Antigravity AI IDE, Coding Without Gravity. I am Madhubanti Jash, a DevOps engineer and AI practitioner. Let us deep dive. On Google Antigravity IDE, development is reimagined within a truly zero friction environment where ideas flow directly into executable intelligence. This conceptual next generation AI native platform dissolves traditional barriers between thinking, designing, and coding. Developers collaborate seamlessly with embedded AI agents that understand intent, context, and system architecture in real time. Natural language becomes a first-class programming interface, transforming creativity into production-ready solution instantly. Google Antigravity IDE represents a future where building software feels as effortless as imagining it. What is the Antigravity IDE? It is built as an AI-first development environment where intelligence powers every stage of creation. It operates cloud natively with fully automated infrastructure that scales, deploys, and optimizes without manual intervention. The platform is designed to eliminate developer friction by removing repetitive tasks and simplifying complex workflows. Integrated AI agents manage dependencies, debugging, and performance tuning in real time. From ideation to production, the entire life cycle is seamlessly connected within one intelligent ecosystem. End-to-end workflow management ensures planning, coding, testing, and development function as a unified process. With automation and adaptive intelligence, at its core, innovation moves at the speed of thought. So let us have some practical demo and we will see that how all these core capabilities, context-aware code generation, intelligent architecture suggestions, automated refactoring and testing, real-time optimization feedback are possible. So let us start exploring some practical examples. Hello everyone. So this is where anti-gravity can be downloaded from. Antigravity.google is the site. Here you can click on download for Windows. If you click on this, you will see that download option for all available operating systems, and you can download yours. Here, I have already downloaded, so I have it already available. It is a fork from VS Code, so you will see it looks similar. What is important here? You will see first that anti-gravity can be used in two modes. One, editor mode, which is this mode. You can open a folder, you can do coding, you can use assistance, etc. Another is agent manager mode. What is agent manager mode? In agent manager mode, you just give your requirement and agent can work on it and create the needful for you. So from here, you can again switch to editor mode. Use playground. So what is this use playground? Here you see two options, playground, workspace. Playground is kind of like some first prototype, trial and error testing, etc. You should be encouraged to use playground. Here you can check quite a few things. And then when it is in more permanent, stable shape, you can move it to workspace, or you can just create new workspace and start working on it. In anti-gravity bottom, if you click on this, you see that there are settings available. So if you click on these settings, so here you see strict mode, review policy, terminal command, auto execution, etc. Enable shell integration, allow list terminal command, all these things. So here I have put ask for review policy or terminal command auto execution. I preferred request review. If you want, you can choose always proceed. It means agent will proceed or the command will proceed as it wants. Here you see models. So you have these many models. Gemini 3.1 Pro, Gemini 3.1 Pro Low and High, both are available. Gemini 3 Flash, Cloud Sonnet 4.6, Cloud Opus, GPT OS 120B. Here you can choose for notifications, etc. This is your account where you see all the account details. So now let us go back to the main editor window. So everyone, today we will cover 3 scenarios. One scenario is where you would see how to create timer, etc. in editor mode. Then same timer to be created in agent manager mode. And then we will see how to run it not only in local, but also remotely. So let us deep dive. So we are currently in editor mode. We will create a timer and here we will use the mode planning, which is suitable for complex tasks. It will show you the whole execution plan. First is for more simpler task, it will be execute the tasks directly, the agents. And here I am using Gemini 3.1 Pro High. You can use any other model. So I will just copy paste my prompt, but you can also speak to the editor by clicking on this microphone. So let us execute. So after some time, you will see here the whole folder structure, the code, and then in browser, we'll be able to test it. So you see that here it is doing all the tasks. You can expand it, that how it is doing those things, step-by-step approach. So it is currently implementing the sound effect. So here it shows the task checklist for you. Like it will first create a directory, then index.html with structured markup and sound element, then style.css with premium centered design, then other design related things with logic, controls, and sound triggering. So now it is going to implement them. So currently it is implementing the code, as you see. So I have successfully generated the timer WID 2026 folder and its contents. You see here the code and it is asking you to accept or you can suggest something index.html style.css script.js. The COF sound has been implemented using a free, reliable Google Action sound source. You can test the application by serving the directory or just opening the index.html. For now, I will just do accept all. I will go to my Windows Explorer I can open the browser from here also. For now, I will just go and open it from my directory level. And here, if you come, you will see the timer. So here you see the input box, which we asked for in minutes, start, pause, reset. So let me give 1 minute and click on start. So let's see if it generates sounds or not. Also, here you see that we are executing it like locally. Later, at the end of the demo, I will show you how to run it from remote. Another thing here, if you tell it, show me the implementation plan MD file. It will show that as well. We will come back to this. For now, let us go here. So you hear the sound, COF sound, and it stopped. So if you give some 30 minutes start, you can pause. As you see, you can start again. You can reset. Now here you are coming. Okay, sometimes it gives some error. We'll just do retry. So here you see that it has created the implementation plan, proposed changes, verification plan, etc. So before you execute commands, you can verify this file and go through the steps. This was simple one, so I just executed. But for complex task, it is always wise that you go through these steps. Now, we will move to Open Agent Manager mode. Here we will see how it works a bit differently. So now we are in Agent Manager mode. We are using Planning Gemini 3.1. I will create timer now in this Agent Manager mode. So let me execute. So it will now automatically create the task, etc. And sometimes we'll ask for our permission. You see that here it is creating this in playground, as we have used playground. So let's see. So as you see here, it has created the app, and you will see in this process, it has created all the files, etc. So let us try to open this countdown app in the browser. So it is in .gemini Antigravity Playground folder. So let me open browser. Here I will open the index.html. Here I will give 1 minute. Start. So you see it is working in same way, but here the thing is that the coding, etc., it handled by itself. You did not need to accept some coding, etc. You can suggest some changes. So for non-technical people to check something quickly, it is very convenient approach. You can pause, reset, and all these. So let's see when it comes to 0. So you see it shows from 10 seconds in different colors. So all this action is added by itself. So this is how it works. Now you may have questions like how to move it to workspace from playground. So let us open that. So here you see this. Now here if you click on this, here you go on toggle terminal, review changes, open editor, etc. Here you see another option, this folder sign. Here if you click, you will see that you are able to choose folder. For example, here timer folder I will create. Timer 2026 WID. Select the folder and then it will be moved. So here, as you see, we have moved everything to our workspace, index.js, HTML script.js, style.css, all this. So now, suppose we want to run it in our remote server. How to do it? So let us check that. And before I move to that part, as I told, in agent manager mode, you can do multiple works using different agents simultaneously. So you can open different conversation and it can work up to 5 agents. You can work smoothly. So now I will show you a platform. There are other platforms as well. I am using app.netlify.com. There I will show you since beginning. Here you can just drag and drop your project. Dropped my project here. I will show you since beginning. So here you can simply come and you can browse to upload your project or drag and drop. And you just select. So this will be timer WIT 2026. You just do, you upload it. And here you see the project is available. If you click on this, you will see and you are able to test. There are other platforms as well which you can use. So this way you are not only able to run it locally, but also in a platform and you can share this. You can also use GitHub, GitLab, all these options to new projects. Here, if you click on import existing project, you can use these options. So as we see anti-gravity, what is the leverage over cursor windsurf it may have? As you see, that cursor was AI-driven editor, and anti-gravity is even a bit more than that, where it is agent-driven AI editor. So you can achieve anything by just running agent. You can have your hands free and you can just speak to editor. You can see that the browser will open automatically. It will work, all this. Also, it has very deep integration with Google Cloud. You can have serverless ready development. So Google Antigravity ID represents an evolution from AI-assisted coding to AI agent-driven software engineering, which is light, smarter, and fully autonomous. Thank you everyone for watching. See you next time. Do not forget to post your questions and share your rating. Have a nice day.